In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cool page section by overlapping rows in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to create this overlapping effect. Hover your mouse over that page title, and a few extra options will appear underneath. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page in the Elementor editor. Inside Elementor, you should already have your layout set up with separate sections or containers, at least 2 or more stacked vertically. The overlapping effect works by adjusting the spacing of one container so that it visually slides over another. For this example, imagine you have 2 containers, one on top of the other, and you want the lower one to overlap the upper one slightly. To do that, hover over the container you want to overlap. When you see the blue outline and the set of icons at the top, click on the icon with 6 dots in the middle. This opens the settings for that container in the left panel. Once the settings are visible, switch from the Content tab to the Advanced tab. At the top of the Advanced tab, you'll see the margin controls. By default, the margins are linked, which means changing one side changes them all. Click the small chain icon to unlink them, so you can control each side individually. Now decide whether you want this container to overlap the one above it or the one below it. If you want it to overlap the section above, enter a negative value in the top margin field. For example, you might start with something like -50 or -80 and then adjust until it looks right. You'll see the container move upward and slide over the one above. If instead you wanted to overlap the section below, enter a negative value in the bottom margin field, and the container will move downward over the section beneath it. Take a moment to preview the page and fine-tune the margin values so the overlap looks smooth and intentional. You can repeat this exact process for any additional sections you want to overlap, adjusting their margins one by one to create a layered design. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the bottom or top right corner of the Elementor panel and click Update or Publish to save your changes. That's all you need to create a clean, overlapping row effect in Elementor.